Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the 90 FPS drop test in the Oneplus Nord 3 with the Dimensity 9000 processor. So this is a Oneplus Nord 3 which has got the Dimensity 9000 processor, and recently I'm getting so many comments on this topic as well regarding the FPS drop test in this device, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video, and how is the overall FPS gonna maintain in this Oneplus Nord 3. And this is my first time uploading this video on the Oneplus Nord 3 regarding the FPS drop test, and now we'll try to see 90 FPS drop test in this Dimensity 9000 processor. And right now you should be able to see the real-time FPS statistics, and let me do the FPS drop test quick, and we'll try to see how is the overall FPS is maintaining in this Oneplus Nord 3. And let me know in the comments in case if you want me to upload any other videos related to this device. And right now let me do the quick drop test, and we should be able to see exactly right now it's dropping up to 83 FPS, and you can see the CPU and the GPU usage, so utilization is slightly higher, and right now as you can see 88 FPS it's maintaining. 88 FPS, 85 is the lowest value we have seen so far. So 85 is the lowest value we have seen in this Oneplus Nord 3, so which is definitely good, not bad. And I'll try to do the one more time also FPS drop test, how the phone will maintain overall. And right now I did see the lowest of 85 FPS in this video. So again I'll try to do another FPS drop test. So this is the second time I'm trying to do the FPS drop test in this Oneplus Nord 3, and right now we'll try to see overall of his FPS is maintaining. So I'm not using any kind of high performance mode while doing this testing. Maybe next time I'll try to use high performance mode and then I'll try to test, but right now I'm not using any high performance mode. So we're getting about 85 FPS, 88 FPS. '86. So 83 FPS lowest we have seen right now. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick overall FPS drop test review on this Oneplus Nord 3. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and bye.